Ready? Start, beta, come.
Good morning, respected Guru ma'am, Amori ma'am, Chandra ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. Today we the children of Junior KGC are going to present assembly on the topic Save Earth. Let's start with the play. Once upon a time, a beautiful planet was created. The people were living in harmony with each other. The air was clean, the river was pure, and the forest was full of life. But gradually, a huge change came around. By comparing the earth of 90s and earth of 10s, huge difference was seen. Let me introduce you to the earth of 90s and earth of 20s. And the earth of 90s. I'm so green and pure. I am the earth of 20s and smartest. You call yourself the smartest. You are
Everybody say thank you.